Ang tanong ko po, bakit nung nangangaral si Kristo dito sa lupa, hindi niya naituro na siya ay Diyos?
Hindi naman yun na mission niya, iho eh. Ang mission niya, ipakikilala niya yung Ama, hindi yung sarili niya. Sapagkat kung ako'y magpapatutuo sa aking sarili, ang aking patutuo hindi katotohanan. May ibang magpapatutuo sa akin, sabi niya. Kaya ang mission niyang ipakilala yung Ama. Ngayon, yung Ama, siya naman ang ipakikilala.
It is not true that Jesus did not glorify or made known himself. If it not so, then no one will believe him and no one could recognize him and no one will worship him. There are so many verses of Jesus glorifying himself, and all the verses of Jesus relating himself to the Father is already of glorifying and of making known of himself. The fact Elisariano mentioned verses about this in this video. The fact Jesus repeats of saying he is the Father, the same one Father the God, and he said he is the God and be worshipped. All I am preaching has a reliable basis and reliable explanations. If I am not saying the truth, may the Lord and my God kills me and deliver me to hell as soon as possible.